Hello foodies, let's make world's easiest urad dal halwa which I had learned from my grandmom. First of all, soak the Chennai Express urad dal for 6 to 8 hours. Grind it with minimum water. Now fry small pakoras or fritters from the dal as shown in the video. Let it cool down. Grind it to a coarse powder. Fry this powder into ghee until golden brown in color. Add milk, chopped nuts of your choice, dry dates powder, cardamom powder, and cook it until you can see ghee is oozing out from the edges of the pan. Add saffron water and cook for few more minutes. Garnished with chopped pistachios and serve hot. This is a perfect, healthy, power packed halwa which you can eat during winters because this winter halwa gives you lots of health benefits. Consuming urad dal during winters gives warmth to your body and it's also boosts your iron level.